So in the resource inventory and reconciliation area, typically companies have been managing the process and the data in one of two ways. They've either built their own database system, typically SQL Server or something like that, or they do it with spreadsheets and email, and maybe a combination of SharePoint as well, or Microsoft Teams. So those solutions get them through the process, but they're quite manually intensive. You have to have a full-time coordinator making sure that all the right data is coming in at the right time, it's at the right quality. Any questions that arise have to go back to the mine or back to the CP and be answered and then brought back into the process. So because that's a very manual run type affair, it can take months. It does take months. It takes 4 to 6 months to get through a reporting cycle. So all that workflow is captured in R-Cube, which is the main piece of our resource inventory solution. It's automated. The coordinator initiates a workflow in the system, and the system then takes care of gathering the information, gathering the feedback, making sure the right people get the right information at the right time. In the system, the administrator, which it would be a person inside the company, sets up roles and responsibilities. So specific individuals have a role and a responsibility in the system. So the system knows who's a CP for a particular asset, who's the responsible executive, who's the general manager that needs to sign off as part of the process. So that's a key setup piece that underpins those workflows. The system knows who has to do what, and it just manages the interaction and the flow of information.